In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page using Mailerlite. Whether you're new to the platform or just looking for a quick refresher, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you have a professional looking landing page in no time. To get started, we'll navigate to the Mailerlite website. Once you're on the home page, look for the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking Login will take you to the Sign In page. Here, choose Sign In with Google if you want to streamline the process using your Google account. It will make everything a bit quicker and easier, especially if you're managing multiple accounts. After you've logged in, you'll be brought to your Mailerlite dashboard. At this point, you'll need to click on Sites. This section is dedicated to creating and managing your landing pages and websites. Once inside, you'll see a Create button. Clicking on it will initiate the process of setting up your new landing page. Next, you'll be prompted to type in a site name. This name will help you identify your project later, so choose something relevant and memorable. Once you've typed in your site's name, go ahead and click Save and Continue. This will ensure your page configuration is stored and you'll be set to move forward. Now click Continue and you'll be taken to the page where you can browse through a variety of templates. Mailerlite offers a range of beautifully designed templates that can suit different purposes and styles. Take your time to look through these options and pick one that aligns with your brand or message. Once you find a template you like, click Choose to select it. With your template chosen, the fun part begins: customization. You're now in the editor where you can modify the layout, images, and text to fit your needs. Mailerlite makes this easy with its drag and drop functionality. You can adjust sections, change fonts, and add or remove elements as you see fit. Feel free to get creative, but always keep your target audience in mind to ensure your landing page remains effective. Once you're satisfied with your changes, simply click Done Editing. And there you have it, your very own landing page created with Mailerlite. With these simple steps, you can efficiently create a professional and compelling landing page that aligns with your goals. If you want to further tweak your design or add features like forms and integrations, Mailerlite's additional tools and features can help enhance functionality and engagement. Thank you for joining today's tutorial on creating a landing page with Mailerlite. I hope this guide was helpful and feel free to revisit it anytime you need a reminder on the process. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy designing!